So we're going to Ponmudi mountain, and it's like 2 hours, nearly 2 hours drive. So of course we're going with the scooter two-wheeler, that blue one. It's okay, it's 125c, but it's a very slow speed, like 20-40 kilometers an hour, and basically you need to stop every half an hour, max 1 hour. You can't drive longer. It's not very convenient, it's for the city drive, it's fine, but you feel your ass paining, I think, after a 1 hour drive with this. So every half an hour we stop to drink some juices. It's nicely freshly pressed juices, and it's 60 euro cents, 50 euro cents for the glass. So it's good price, and it's nice, cold, refreshing. So yeah, that's how we're traveling in India. Overall, it's nice. Traffic is not too mad, slow speed, so you can drive quite easily. You need to be aware, of course, and look after all the surroundings, etc. But it's all good.
So the price to enter the waterfalls, it's 300 rupees, and for locals it's 40. It's almost 10 times higher.
Okay, so we're inside Ponmudi Waterfalls Nature Park or something like that. But what we were saying with Amber, that nature is like nature, everywhere is amazing. Greenery is always nice, and nothing much different if it's Spain, if it's Georgia, or anywhere. It's beautiful, of course, yeah, but you wouldn't say that, if I would show you just the nature, that's exactly India. So yeah, it's nice, actually a bit chilly because there is shade in here. So walking to the waterfall. So what is like the price to enter here? It's like, for foreigners it's 10 times more than for Indian nationals. So it's 3 euros 20, something like that. If you're Indian, it's like 45 euro cents. So it's cheaper, but of course foreigners need to bring money. But the thing is that I think it's fair, at least they tell you, and it's set by government. So it's not like they cheating you and trying, to get out of, like they are getting out of you more money, but it's official and legal. So it's not like trying to fool you in some places, in some other countries, the tourists, they're straight away saying to you that, you're gonna pay more because you are not Indian, you're earning more money. Huge tree.
This park is very, very long.
Yeah, this park is interesting, actually. It's worth 3 euros for sure.
There are people walking here. Oh, look, monkey.
Oh,
We saw
monkey.
lots of them coming here.
Oh, running. They are very quick, huh? Very much. Monkey. But yeah, it's beautiful out here. Nice nature. Oh, hey, hello.
The ones next to the wave was more.
This one is shy.
This one is shy.
Anyway, goodbye. Bye. So yeah, it's very nice.
And there are quite few people working here. So it's not like you're alone. They're, I don't know, watching you.
Hello.
Maybe.
Yeah, well, every few hundred meters, yeah.
And to the waterfall, it's 1 kilometer walking.
Yeah, from parking it's 1 kilometer walking. So it's not. It's very nice. If you like nature, and it's nice because we were riding like so long, and our skin started to burn actually from the sun. You know, it's plus 30 more than that.
This is big damage.
Damage.
And I have big damage here.
Anyway, it's we'll need to get some creams, I guess, to heal ourselves, natural Ayurvedic or something. But after sun, but it's what I wanted to say, that it's nice to walk only in the shade, you know, like that.
And this is the beginning of going to the waterfall. It's already nice, as you see.
So we finally reaching waterfalls.
What is funny is that they are saying slippery rocks and deep pools, be on alert. They are not saying it's forbidden to swim. They're saying be on alert.
You've been warned.
Yeah, you've been warned. Now it's your choice.
But look to these trees. They're big and old. So danger zone. It's everywhere. They're putting this sign. Danger zone. Everywhere is dangerous, kind of. But anyways, I think we are getting to the waterfalls by the sound of it. Trees are very interesting. It's like triangle, very narrow roots. Oh, it's opening up. Oh, there you go. On the camera it's not that impressive. For real, it's nice. Real is nice. I don't think I will be able to swim here. Sad face. Sad face. But it's nice waterfall. But I would like to swim. This is not what I imagined.
Okay, so this is the parking place of Ponmudi hill station. It gets a little bit windy, but I don't think that you need some additional clothes. For that, there is stage for, I guess, the animals for such mountains, and some people are actually going even there. I don't think we will go there because it already takes quite some time to get here, even though I think it will be worth it, and soon we will see the panorama, the big thing why we actually came for. So as usual in India, separately, two-wheelers, car parking, and then bus. I guess you can get here by bus. There are a few options. One option is to go to Ponmudi town and then hire tuk-tuk, or I am pretty sure there are guide tours. What we did is we rented a bike. Our bike costs, it's a simple scooter, it costs around like 500 rupees per day, which is like 5-6 euros per day. So we really enjoy driving with it, so we came with the scooter. Plus it's for sure less expensive than hiring rickshaw. So remember when I was there and I said that we will not go to this hill station? There is a man who said, come on, we are going. Everyone is going, we need to go to the hill station. And this is already very nice. And I see that there is one couple where I bet they are having their wedding because they're doing photo shoot with the mountain range view. That's how beautiful it is. Indians are coming here for their wedding photo shoots. It is nice, but it is tiring to sit on a motorcycle. Right. And guys, get water for sure. On the way, what was actually surprising is that there are places where to buy some snacks, some water in the mountain.
Plenty of small shops.
Yeah, plenty of small shops.
And buy water, you can buy much everything.
Maybe like to properly eat, no?
There were a few restaurants, I think, I don't know if they were open. Yeah.
Right here, like half a kilometer from here, a little bit down, there was a huge like complex where they even had 3D cinemas. It costs like 50 rupees per person for 10 minutes or something like that. But there I will not go.
Huh?
You see, only men are going there. So you
prefer that one to go up than here?
I prefer here. Stand here and that's it. Oh guys, camera doesn't show the beauty. So me and Donny separated a little bit for a moment. He went up there. Up there somewhere. I didn't want to, but there is another spot that we see people are walking. So I want to go as well. So before we were filming from this part next to it. It's actually not that difficult walking. The waterfall took way much more time and energy to walk, and here is some kind of peacefulness. Not that difficult. I'm just maybe a little bit hungry already, but yeah, and it's nice windy. Even though you hear that it's very loud, it's actually very much refreshing. And yeah, it just takes some time to ride, but the ride is so worth it. I'm not sure if I would need to choose between, let's say, temple, some kind of cathedral or square or whatever, or nature or a mountain like this. I would always go for the mountain, especially if it's so not difficult to reach. The road is so comfortable. Not many cars at all, very easy to drive. You just need a little bit of patience. I think from Trivandrum to here to Ponmudi, it's around 2 hours drive with motorcycle. But as I mentioned before, there are other ways how to get here. But in these 2 hours, you know, you stop for water, you stop for juice drink, for fresh juice or something, and then it becomes nice.
Special Indian dinner for us in fast food restaurant. So they made even vegetables, fresh vegetables, which is not usual for us. Very good. Let's see. This is fried hot, but fried in coconut oil, so it's healthy fried.
So we are eating something like this. This is from chickpeas.
Yeah. It's nice. It's spicy.
Not that spicy. And chai. With milk. So we're eating in the local.
Very good. Thank you, sir. No, good. We like it. Spice is good. It's very good. No problem. Indian taste.
ahora una parcela de la
Wow, that's how they're making it down. Mixing like homemade. Everything nice. Wife?
Yeah. 3 baby.
3 babies. Good wife. And good food. Wow, that's how they're making it down. How are you?
It's hot but not too hot. I can handle, so it's not too hot.
It's nice overall,
But
no?
very nice. I really like the idea of cooking in coconut oil because it's not from seeds, first of all, so not highly processed. Second of all, it doesn't have the smokes, meaning it doesn't have cancerogens. So I really like it here, even though it looks like not usual, but it looks like it's very home-ish
Yeah.
food that you can make at home. So.
It's nice. Like I didn't think that fried things can be healthy, but I think when it's cooked in natural
And
coconut
even-
oil.
Yeah, and also what I want to mention is that usually we don't eat so much carbs, especially when it comes to bread, right? We don't really like breads, rices, and so on. But for example, now we ate a food with the bread. I mean, the one that guy is making now, and it is from flour, but the flour is local. It's not highly processed. It's local flour. That's why I think it doesn't go hard on you, and then you feel easy.
Yeah. Anyways,
And
let's
they
see.
make you feel like at home. That's what is nice.
They
Yeah.
even made vegetables, fresh vegetables, which
Yeah.
is not standard, but I think they know that.
We didn't even ask.
We didn't ask, but they got some onions, some cucumber, some carrots. It's nice. Anyway, let's see how much we're gonna pay for it, but I think it's gonna be fair price.